Hi guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you that don't know, I've worn glasses since I was in my teens. Whenever I do videos, I don't wear my glasses that much because I don't like the glare and stuff like that. And also, I've also considered contacts, but I'm not rushing to do that. Because you really have to be careful with contacts because you're constantly touching your eye and stuff like that. So I'm really not kind of ready for that. But anyway, yeah, so it was time for my yearly eye exam, and on top of that, my glasses have been through so much. I've had these glasses for about 3 years now, and it was just time to get new ones. They're scratched, they're broken, they have paint all over it. When I got these glasses, they were pretty much falling off my face, but I liked them so much that I went on with it. So every time I'm doing something, they were always falling off my face and stuff like that, but I really like the oversized look. Yeah, so it was time. So I looked up a lot of, I've seen a lot of YouTubers review a lot of glasses, online eyeglass companies and stuff like that, and they've said really great things about them and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, I need to check that out. Yeah, so after getting my eye exam, pretty much they told me I'm gonna get my free glasses as well, but I had to wait about a week, so they should be coming this week. And another thing was, I was kind of putting it off because I really don't have a lot of time like that. And with COVID going on, you know, they have like certain precautions that they're doing in a lot of like the, you know, like hospitals and eye places and all that, where they're taking only a certain amount, and getting an appointment is kind of hard because they're trying to space them out. So with that being said, I really was putting it off, and it was like time because the glasses were done. My son like sat on them, he threw them, they snapped one time, I sat on them, and it was just like a lot of stuff, and they broke a few times. I fixed them and came back again, you know, they broke. So it was time. So after watching all the YouTube reviewers and stuff like that, I was like, you know what? Once I do my eye exam, because I had lost my numbers that I had before, and I'm pretty sure they would have not given me the old prescription. They would have been like, girl, you need to come in for an eye exam before you get, you know, I don't think they would have given me that. I would have used the old one, but at the same time, I really needed to, because it's been like 3 years, and I'm sure my eyes might have changed a little bit, so I needed the eye exam. Anyway, so after all that, I pretty much went online and I was looking at different ones, different companies, and I decided on Zenni Optical because they were located in California. I'm in California, everything works out. So I ordered my glasses on October 28th. They got here on Wednesday, November 3rd, which is about a week. When I got the confirmation email, they pretty much told me that I would get them within 2 weeks. So this was way faster, I guess, because I'm in California. I don't know about other people who live in other areas, how fast it came and stuff like that. But with it was only a week, which was perfect. Okay, so yeah. So after ordering from them, one thing I want to tell you before I move on to the video is you need to know your PD, pupillary distance. Pretty much from one eyeball to the next, you need to know what that number is, so that when they're making your glasses, they center it. So without this, if they're put in the wrong place, you're not gonna be able to see pretty much with your glasses, because your pupil is gonna be somewhere here. So you need to know that PD, and I've heard that some eye doctors don't put that information on your prescription on purpose, so that you don't have the easy access to kind of just order things online so you can go to them. And you guys know that a lot of eye doctors, the glasses are really expensive, like over 100, they're designer ones. But at this point in my life, I'm not really looking for design. I'm looking for things that work, that are practical, budget friendly, and stuff like that. So yeah, that's one of the reasons I went online. You know, if you want the fancy stuff, yeah, sure, you can get them. Okay, so yeah. So I got my glasses, and I'm pretty okay with them. You know, they're not my size, but they do the job for right now. So the PD that I used was pretty much for my old glasses, and the PD you can find, if you have other glasses that you already wear, your PD is located in those numbers. It's the first number that is on your glasses somewhere. Wait, I'm looking at the wrong number. Mine is kind of like, you can't really see it, but the number was right here, and it was like a 63 for mine. So pretty much once I had that, I got it from here and put it into the system. I was able to go in and order my eyeglasses. I'll leave also a link where you can use a ruler to pretty much ask somebody to help you measure it, so you have that number. But I've heard that a lot of eye doctors just leave it out on purpose because they don't want you going out and, you know, buying glasses somewhere else. So overall, with ZenniOptical.com, hey guys, so I'm actually on the website right now. So I pretty much went under women, and once I did that, I went to I can't see where the shop all glasses. And then I went, this is where I was kind of choosing what I needed. So once I put women, I also went here with the size, and this is where you really need to check things. So I went for the length, because when I was looking, I really wanted like an oversized look. So once I have like all the glasses showing, I did the try on here. This is where you can do a video or a picture of you. And for example, you like this one, you click it, and you know, if everything looks good, you check all this stuff here. You add it to select lenses, and here's where you go. So I put single vision, and then the PD. So this is the number that you need that I was talking about. Without this number, it's kind of hard to know, like, you know, where your pupils, like the measurement for your pupils, so where they can center your glasses. So you enter that amount, and then this is where you want to put your prescription number. So pretty much this is all I did. I just entered here and here and the PD, and that was it. And then I said no to a lot of the other things. I got basic basic glasses because my glasses were coming in next week from my eye doctor, so I didn't really need to do too much. So once you click that, and then you know, you do the whole process, submit and all that. Yeah, pretty simple. Or Zenni.com. My experience has been good. So when I got my glasses, they came in this little case. It's a plastic case, and you know, something to wipe your glasses in here. This is the package that it came in, very colorful and really kind of simple and cute, and it keeps everything kind of like, you know, from getting wet and all that. Then I got a little thing that shows my order number and stuff like that in here, and a little Ziploc thing. They give you like all their information, like how you can contact them in here. A little card here just saying thank you. But the one thing that was really impressive is that my glasses were only $6.95. So $6.95, I cannot complain. Like, I really cannot complain. These are the glasses right here. They're pretty tight on my face. They kind of hurt, but I knew that because I kind of took a risk on the size thing. I have a bigger face, I have a bigger forehead, okay? So I knew that it would be an issue. So from now, I can work with here to go order better glasses next time. So I think that these online glasses are really perfect if you need to have backups for the backup for the backup. When you wear glasses, you're gonna have accidents. Sometimes things will break, sometimes you lose them, sometimes you misplace them somewhere and stuff like that. So one thing I've learned is always have at least 3 pairs. One maybe in your car, one at home, you know, one in your purse, because you just never know like what can go wrong. Because I went through that, and I really was like, thank God for these sites that offer like really cheap, it's pretty much cheap eyeglasses. Like, this is plastic, it's lightweight. I'll leave a link if you guys want to order this particular one. And honestly, I just really it was a simple process. The PD did not work. So you have to really know that number, because if you don't, some glasses are not within that range. So you can want it all you want, but fixing them enough for where they can center your pupil won't work. So you might be like, oh, that glass is cute, but when you try to enter your PD, will tell you that it won't work, you know, so you have to pick something else. So that's really what happened to me. But at this point, I was really like concerned, because when I went on and I saw that $6.95, I was like, okay, girl, I need to get my hands on these. So these are the glasses right here. They have a little white plastic thing on the side here. And okay, like, they're pretty cute. Like, I really don't have any issues with them. They're getting me through until I get my other glasses. So this is gonna be another backup, and then I'm gonna order like 2 more from Zenni again, or and you know, just keep it, because you just never know. So yeah, this is the website. You filter it to depending on what, you know. I went under women's eyeglasses. Oh man, I don't think you guys can see women's eyeglasses. Then I filtered to size, and I filtered to, I think, frame width or something like that. Yeah, but it's pretty much simple. So once you enter your prescription numbers and then you put the PD, that's pretty much it. There's other things that you could custom, like they have, you know, anti-glare, you know, coating and special things like that, which cost a little bit more. At this point, I was on a budget. I pretty much ordered with the $6, and the shipping was like $4 or whatever. And that was it. It was really simple. It was like, the tracking was nice. They told me when it was coming and things like that. So overall, I would definitely recommend ordering your eyeglasses online if you are somebody who is on a budget. or you just want to have different varieties of glasses and you don't want to feel like you have to spend $100 every time you get them, you know, definitely check them out. And I think it was really fast. Everything was easy. I didn't contact customer service, so I really can't say, but so far so good. I really like my glasses. I don't have a problem with them. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.